here is how you can change the Cupertino time on your iPhone, right? So if I go to my home screen like this, you can see that I have a clock widget, right? But it is displaying a time which is not correct, and it says the little CUP shortcut at the time. And it's essentially for Cupertino. So the clock widget can display the time either locally or from any city around the world, right? So if I want to change the world city widget, I can hold it down on it like this, click on edit, and then now it's gonna like flip over, which leaves me with the selection of the city in the world, right? So I can click on the Cupertino, which is currently selected, and I can change it to be something else, right? So I can choose a different city. Let me just click on a Dallas, right, for example. And then now this is gonna change the time to that city and that time zone. So that's how you can change it. However, if you want to add the widget from your local time, you in fact have to re-add the widget. So find any place where you have it, like, space for it, but hold it down on the home screen, click on edit, and tap on the add widget. And now just scroll through the options, click on clock, which is right there, and you can choose the first one, which is clock digital. And this one can only display the local clock in your time zone. Because if you scroll through it, you can see different types of it, but this is the city digital, which I was showing you just before. It's for different cities around the world, but the first one, or these first four, are really for the local time. So if you added this, you can see that it is 8:42 time in my location and no city can be selected, right? So that's how it works. Let me know if you found this video helpful. You can subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later.